Okay, so I'm going to say that all again. Okay, so yesterday we kind of wrapped up those first two sections by doing that review worksheet, and today you have a new video. I'm going to share my desktop and go over to Canvas so you can see everything that I have listed there. Someone let me know, Xander, let me know when you can see the screen.
All right, I got you.
All right.
I'm not seeing it yet.
Okay.
Me neither.
It takes a second.
Yay, I see it.
Okay. All right. So on Canvas, remember that the link to attendance is here and that you're checking in before noon. Click on the e-learning tab for today. Here's our Skype link. I don't know if anybody's accessing it that way, but you can. That's for tomorrow. I can't see that yet. Here we go. So for today, you're supposed to watch the YouTube video 8.3 that's titled Factoring Trinomials, and that's supposed to be an x squared and not an x2, but I can't do exponents on Canvas. And take notes in your notebook. The video is linked below. You're going to take a picture of your notes just like we've been doing that and uploading that into the assignment titled Notebook Check 8.3. Then there is the worksheet that you're going to open and download to your computer. Please make sure that you're typing your answers directly into that worksheet and then re-uploading. So today you're going to, I'm actually going to click on this so I can show you how to type your answers. Today your answers, you're basically doing this is basically the reverse of FOIL. So previously you would see two parentheses, two binomials side by side, and you would FOIL to get something like this. Today, you're going to be doing the reverse of that, and that's what the video is all about. It's how to factor a trinomial into its two binomials. And it has a lot to do with multiplication facts of this back number back here. It also talks about how to pay attention to what the signs are supposed to be, because some signs are addition and subtraction. Sometimes it's both addition, sometimes it's both subtraction. Hang on just a second. Yes, Leo?
I'm number fastest on the game.
Okay.
I'm number fastest.
Okay.
You go, Leo.
Yeah.
You go.
He's playing some racing game, and he just wanted me to know he was going to go the fastest. So there's that. That's the kind of interruptions I get. So today, when you type your answer, this is not the correct answer, okay? Just so that we're all aware here. I am not typing in the right answer. I could, I guess. You want me to give you the right answer?
Yeah.
So it's two sets of parentheses. This one's going to be an x plus 1, and the other one's going to be an x plus 3. Now, you'll learn in the video, or you can switch them around. They don't have to be in the right order. Your signs have to be in the right spots. In this case, they both happen to be addition. But I would accept two answers, an x plus 1 times x plus 3, or the other way around, x plus 3 times x plus 1. Now, you would notice if you were to FOIL that, FOIL either one of those back, you would get this, right? If we multiply the first two terms together, let me grab my pen. If you were to multiply the first two terms together, not blue, I like red, x times x would be x squared. If you multiply your inside and your outside terms together, a 1x plus a 3x gives you 4x. And then those last two terms, 1 times 3, gives you your last term of a plus 3. So the video today is about how to know what numbers go inside these parentheses and also what sign. Today's lesson, everything that you do starts with an x squared in the front here. Hang on, get off the highlighter. Okay, so it starts with this x squared, which means all of your answers today are just going to have two x's in the front. Every set of parentheses will be an x in the first and then an x in the first. And it will be up to you then after that to determine what signs go in. So here's what I mean again if I draw this. If I draw two sets of parentheses, it'll be an x and an x. Every one of your answers. If you have questions while you're working, you can reach out to me through Skype, through email. I did want to touch real quickly on the the issue we're having with corrections, some of you are wanting to do redos. So what I've decided for algebra, if you submit the assignment on time, so if I got it on Monday before noon and it got graded, then you are eligible to do a redo through Thursday of this week. So Mr. Deming really wanted everything to be cut off, but I talked to him about, the importance of this class and that it's, for high school credit and students are trying to get, the best possible grade. And so he said that I could do redos, but nothing past this week. So the only thing that's eligible to redo this week would be the stuff I put in from last week. So if I go to...
So it's only like 1 week at a time.
Yeah, you can work a week at a time. So I think I gotta go here so I don't show you grades, but I can do it.
And then you can't do it like 2 weeks at a time.
Right.
Like you can't do it like 2 weeks after.
So last week it would only be worksheet 8.1 and worksheet 8.2b. Those are the only two that are eligible for redo at this point. Yeah, it would be this stuff that says no, that's not you. That's not your class.
And it has to be in on time.
Yes, has to be in on time. So if you didn't submit it and it's missing, you can't submit it like as a redo. That doesn't work like that. So
Dang, everybody has it all. Everybody has it in.
You mean these 26s?
Yeah.
No. Those that are missing have a 0 in it, so it counts it as that it got scored. Got a 0. So obviously notebook checks we're not redoing. So for this week, worksheet 8.1 and 8.2b are the two that you have an opportunity to redo on, but you have to email me. I have to send it to you. So you have to email me and let me know you want it. I email you the one I downloaded from Canvas and that I graded, and I used my little pen so it has like red circles on it and you can see which problems you missed. You redo it on separate paper, you take a picture, you email me back the picture. I don't need the original document because I still have it. And then I insert that picture onto the new document, the worksheet document, and then I do your regrades right on there. So it's kind of a pain, but it's the easiest way to do it. I'm not making you submit the parent signature form. So again, anything you want to redo, you have the next week through Thursday, and I have to get it back from you. We'll just say Thursday at 11:59. If I don't have it by 11:59 Thursday night, then I won't accept it after that.
So if we want to do redos, we got to do them now.
Yes, today or tomorrow.
Yeah.
So go into Power School and look at your 2 grades for those worksheets and decide if you want to redo them or not. But other than that, I think that's really it for today, unless anyone has like started working and maybe has a question, or if you have a question from yesterday, I can reach out. You can reach out to me at any point during the day, but I think that's it for today. So watch the video, take notes, take a picture, then work on that worksheet. I did get some review on this worksheet this time. I was kind of excited because it was not graphing. So make sure you recognize that there is a page 2. So there's spots for you to put answers for some of this review. So I'm sure you'll be super excited to do that. I will share with you that we are considering giving algebra a final. There's a lot of concern from the high school about things like cheating and how is this grade, how are we going to like truly prove that you guys know what you're doing. And I stuck up for you all and I shared, the work I'm getting right now, there's not cheating happening. I did catch some other 8th graders cheating the other day, but, I'm getting, even if 2 students work together, do I care that you work together? No, you guys work together all the time. That's how you help each other and that's how you learn. But there's concern with cheating, obviously, because we can't be watching what you're doing. And I shared that, students are missing questions, students are getting things wrong, they're asking to redo, so I'm seeing some work back. It's not, you're the group I'm not worried about. You're the group who wants to learn, who wants to do well, who wants to be successful and wants to learn it so that you know it, not because, you just want the A or whatever. So there's a possibility that we'll get some sort of final going that last week of school. So I'm not trying to freak you out, but because that was shared with us, that we do need to give some sort of something at the end, I decided to start putting some of that review stuff back in there. So make sure that if you are, no final, sorry, it's not up to me, but I'm putting some of that review stuff back in there again on these worksheets so that you're still practicing on all that older material.
See, like, who's to say kids aren't going to cheat on the final?
Well, it would be on Canvas. It would be like a Canvas test.
I mean, I could just easily just pull up my phone and do it.
Yeah,
there.
You could, but that I guess they just, I don't know. We were told we have to give you something at the end. And I said, well, what about just the unit test? Because we're going to be wrapping up another unit. Can I just test them on that? And they said it had to be. It should be cumulative, which means.
So it's like an NWA type.
Yeah, but just over algebra. It would just be about algebra. Oh, look, see, Ben's excited. Yeah.
No, he was saying he said that to me. Like, I was saying, like, I could just easily pull up my phone.
Yeah. I don't know. I feel like you're the group I'm not really worried about. So. Okay, so you're not going to see me today because I'm still in my pajamas. So
You should let me show my face.
yeah, I don't know. How do I do that again? Participant actions. Allow attendee video. I'm going to stop sharing and I'm going to stop recording.